Welcome to the studio. I'm Jamie Kinkeade, and I cannot wait to bring the party to you. In our workouts, you're gonna get the most electrifying, energetic, joyful workouts you've ever experienced in your entire life. They are more like parties. You're gonna dance, you're gonna sweat, you're gonna move. We have bar, we have strength training, we have some yoga with hip hop. If you discover our workouts are exactly what your body, your soul, and your mind have been needing for so long, and you want the full experience, download our app, The Studio by Jamie Kinkeade. We believe so much in what we're doing and the lives that has changed that we offer everybody a 14-day free trial to have full access to every single thing on our app, including our daily live streams and our on-demand workouts. Could be the best 14 days of your life. You never know unless you give it a try. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, go and follow us on all of our socials, and leave a comment below. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Let's do this.
Running to the checker flag, running through the red light. 12 kept me gunning, won't pull over till I'm dead right. Riding to the sunrise, can't none by no bedtime. Ain't gon' get no bitch riding with me, let their head fly. Better know from West Side Atlanta, or the best style, all the way to Crenshaw. I'ma have the mind, nigga better know. Big shit, poppin' ain't no little shit. Dropping bags is a lot to you, to me a little bit. Let them ride Chevy 40 cal in my lap. Real dope boys in the trap. The big yacht, ballin' like a big shot. Niggas on my dick, make room for your bitch, gotta let them know. I don't turn wrestle, I don't lip box. Solitaires, all I do is big rocks. I came from Dillon Rock, all the way to Hitchcock. On the throne, bitch ain't one I'm on, she can kick rock, let her know. My foot up on the gas, I'm blowing money fast, gotta know. I'm on these haters' ass, I know these niggas man, gotta let them know. Big dog, all we get it bread, I ain't never scared. Big flex on a nigga head, what I'm standing on, business. Big chick, we done did that, pushing weird back, better give me respect and some more. Atlanta know for I would book the show for $1,000 or so. I was selling grand right on camera, tilling hammers go. Lane speaking to me what you need a camera for. From center here to hitting hoes on centerfold, better know. They call it ballin', we just call it living. They say you live and die by your decision. Well, I'ma push it to the limit, never mind the consequences. Interfering, nigga, I'ma handle business, better let them know. On another level, my SS I'm put together, hit the pedal, do 200 everywhere I go. Better than I stay fly, just to show the day now. On the throne, bitch ain't one I'm on, she can kick rock, let her know. My foot up on the gas, I'm blowing money fast, gotta know. I'm on these haters' ass, I know these niggas man, better let them know. Skateboard P on the track, Louis Duffel bag, 50 rack. Poppin' so obnoxious, I ain't got no country promo, like I still got a pocket full of crack. All they do is fight for number 2, cause I'm the one. Still make it play with the one. All we know is success, hit her with some rich sex. Good looking your bitch back, she forever mine till I let her go.